Hello, this is Malik with TechWine, and here's a video on how to download Windows 11 directly from Microsoft to a USB bootable drive, free and simple. By the way, if you'd like to support our channel, please click on that subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open up an internet browser. I've opened up Chrome, and I'm going to type in the Google search engine, how to download Windows 11 directly from Microsoft. Go ahead and execute that search. A list of potential links will appear, and the one you'll want to click on is Download Windows 11 directly from Microsoft. I'll go ahead and click on that now. Once I click the link, it opens up Microsoft's official website for downloading Windows 11. Here's the URL or web address for Microsoft's Windows 11 download page. I'll copy this link and include it in the description of this video for your convenience. On the page, you'll see three main options. 1. Windows 11 Installation Assistant. 2. Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO, and 3. Create Windows 11 Installation Media. The one we'll select is the middle option, Create Windows 11 Installation Media. This will allow us to download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB drive. Let's click on the Download Now button. When you click the button, it downloads the media creation tool.exe file. Once downloaded, double-click on it to execute. This will bring up the Windows 11 setup page, which begins by saying getting a few things ready. Be patient, this can take a few minutes. Once it's ready, you'll see the license terms agreement. Go ahead and accept it to proceed. After that, it'll say getting a few things ready again, which may take another 5 to 10 minutes. Next, you'll be prompted to select your language. You can either accept the default language or, if you wish to change it, uncheck the box that locks the default setting. This will also allow you to choose a different edition if available. Once you're happy with your selection, click Next. Now, choose which media to use. The default selection is a USB flash drive, which is what we'll use. Ensure that your USB flash drive has a minimum size of 8 GB. While it's fine if the drive is larger, it must be empty because all data on the USB will be erased during this process. Insert your USB flash drive into the USB port of your laptop or computer. Once inserted, go back to the Setup tool and click Next. Ensure you select the correct USB drive, especially if multiple drives are connected. Highlight the correct one and click Next. The tool will now start getting a few things ready before downloading Windows 11. You'll see a progress bar indicating the download status. This process usually takes around 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the tool will verify the download and then create the Windows 11 installation media. This step will take another 20 to 25 minutes. Be patient during this phase. When the process is finished, you'll see a message stating that your USB flash drive is ready. Click the Finish button to complete the setup. You may also see a final message saying setup is cleaning up. This can take a few more minutes. Congratulations! You now have a USB bootable Windows 11 installation drive that you can use to install Windows 11 on any compatible laptop or computer. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and leave a like if you found this guide helpful. This has been Malik with TechWine, helping you with all things tech. See you in the next video.